what if the stock market actually paid you guys to start investing today? What's up guys, it's Travis. Today I'm just going to be breaking that down for you guys, letting you guys know what dividends are and how this can be so beneficial for your guys' portfolios when it comes to investing and building that passive income
that we're all just dreaming to have.
And how you guys can take advantage of dividends. Dividends are an amount of money that are paid out either quarterly or monthly depending on the stock and what they decide to do. These dividends can be paid out by these companies from their profits or their reserves. And the reason companies do this is because they like to retain their stockholders. So to figure out what companies are actually paying out dividends, you can go to this website called Dividend.com. And this really helps to break down each stock for you guys that are interested in buying dividends. So going to Dividend.com, I'm going to search for realty income. And once I find that, I'm going to click on stock dividend data. And then under that tab, I can actually see the dividend yield payout is 6.13%. So under this stock dividend data, it tells us the dividend yield, which tells us what percentage the stock pays out over a year. Annualized payout for each stock that I own, I'm making $2.80 a month. Dividend growth, how long these dividends have been paid out by this company. So this is for the last 24 years. There's just a lot of really good information that you guys can take advantage of from this website that's free to use. It is really helpful for those people who are starting to invest in the stock market and dividends specifically. So going back, we realized that realty income actually pays out a 6.13% return on the money that we invest into their company. So let's break that down. Let's say we have a $100,000 portfolio that we're using to invest. If realty income pays out 6.13% a year on $100,000, that means that we're making $6,130 a year from the money that we have invested in this company. And now we divide that number by 12, and that's what's going to give us our monthly payout. And when we get paid those dividends, that $510 a month, we can either reinvest that into our investments, or we can take that out and use that for daily expenses, our lifestyle, or whatever we decide to do with it. For me personally, I like to reinvest because I like to have my money work for me. The longer that I can do that, the more passive income that I will have coming over time. Despite what happens in the stock market, whether we're in a recession right now or not, we're gonna be seeing that passive income coming in every single month. To a lot of people, especially longer term investors, this is very attractive because now it doesn't matter whether you have a job or not because you still have passive income coming in. So my goal as an investor is to make my money work for me as efficiently as possible. Most of us, if not all of us who are watching this video, are not investing with $100,000. This was just to use as an example to give you guys an idea how dividends work, how the payouts work, and just to kind of give you guys a better feel of the stock market. And there's so many different ways of making money in the stock market. Take the amount that you're willing to invest with and just run numbers and find out what you would make on a monthly basis or a yearly basis. So do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to try and help you guys better understand what's going on and the different ways that you guys can make money in the stock market. Taking a look at the savings account that I've been using for the last year or so, until recently I was making 1.8% interest a year. I'm deciding to put money into dividends and the stock market right now because I know that my return on my investment is going to be way higher in the long run than it would be to put that into a bank account right now and just have that money sit there and make maybe 1% a year. To me, that's just not worth it. We don't see recessions like this maybe every 10 years or so. I'm just averaging my way into the market right now. I'm keeping you guys posted with my videos, letting you guys know what my positions are going to be. I'm really trying to educate you guys and help kind of understand these different strategies that you can use when it comes to investing in the stock market. So before I go, I just want to ask you guys, if you guys have any comments, any questions, any video ideas, make sure to drop those down below. Let me know in the comments. I really appreciate the feedback, and I'll be posting videos in the coming weeks as far as my positions and also trying to educate you guys and help you guys to become better investors in the long run. So I hope you guys are staying safe out there, and I'll be talking to you guys later. All right, bye.